Stop. If you're thinking about buying CourseClaw AI, there's something you need to know first. CourseClaw AI is world's first AI course sales agent, one claw agent that researches, creates, launches, and grows a complete online course business from a single input. No writing, no design, no tech headaches. You type in a topic, or upload a course you already have, and the AI instantly builds the curriculum, lessons, quizzes, assignments, a ready-to-sell website, an AI tutor, and even the marketing assets. So here's the big question: is CourseClaw AI really the future of digital course businesses, or just another overhyped launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what CourseClaw AI is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab CourseClaw AI through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $599 absolutely free. What is CourseClaw AI? It's a complete AI course business builder that takes you from idea to launch in minutes. iCourse generator for modules, lessons, quizzes and assessments, AI tutor chatbot trained on your course content. Ready-to-sell course website with payment integration, marketing assets, sales pages, email copy, social posts, SEO tools, 450 plus DFY courses included, and commercial license to sell courses for yourself or clients. Benefits: why people are interested. Automation: one input to complete course business. Faceless business: no writing, design or tech skills needed. Commercial license: sell courses or offer course creation services. Lifetime access: pay once, use forever. DFY courses: 450 plus ready-made courses to launch instantly. Inside CourseClaw AI, you're getting AI course generator, multi-language support, upload existing courses, PDF, DOCX, PPT, video, 450 plus DFY courses included, AI course website builder with hosting plus SSL, AI tutor chatbot for student Q&A, quiz, assignment and assessment generator, marketing asset generator, sales copy, emails, social posts, SEO, student dashboard plus payment integration, commercial license included, and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros: complete course business system, not just content generation, beginner-friendly, no technical skills required, unlimited courses, unlimited niches, commercial license for agencies and freelancers. Cons: no guaranteed income, results depend on your niche and effort. Results: what to expect. Expect faster launches, more consistent publishing and multiple income streams. Coaches: package knowledge into premium courses. Freelancers: offer course creation services to clients. Entrepreneurs: build faceless course businesses across niches. CourseClaw AI turns one idea into a complete course business in minutes. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab CourseClaw AI through the link below. Bonus 1: DFY course business blueprint. Value: $299. Step-by-step roadmap to launch your first profitable course business in 30 days. Bonus 2: AI marketing vault. Value: $300. 500 plus proven templates for sales pages, emails and social campaigns. Total bonus value: $599. Yours free when you get CourseClaw AI through my link today. So, is CourseClaw AI worth it? If you want to stop struggling with course creation and start building complete course businesses without writing, designing or coding, then yes, CourseClaw AI is absolutely worth it. Click the first link in the description to secure CourseClaw AI plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.